guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make horns, well, different types. Basically, the first one is wedge. It's basically where it has a bigger, a bigger bottom and then a kind of thinner tip at the top. It's really simple and easy to do. Also, you might notice these little tiny streaks. These are just kind of like the cartoon versions of, those big lines or indents inside of dragon's horns. And it actually kind of helps, but you don't really want them to be all even. Like this one is a little bit better because this one looks a little bit more perfect, but in the bad way perfect, if you know what I mean. But anyway, that's a wedge. So basically you just want to draw like a bottom, and then you kind of want to do that. My lines weren't that good up top, but yeah, and then you have the wedge. Just don't think about the lines. And then you have slanted. This is just kind of an idea that I had. You don't really have to do this, or you could change up the design. But what I was thinking while making this is that if you think about it, if you had an earth dragon and you maybe changed it to have a little bit, if you made it green or something and then looked a little bit more like a tree, it's like you could have a nature or storm dragon and it would be a tree blowing in the wind. It would actually be really cool, but it's just a little thought and it's pretty far-fetched. But anyway, that's slanted. Basically what you want to do is do this. And then you I know I'm interrupting the drawing. And then you just have a kind of slanted look. And by doing these, you have slanted. And then here's curl. Oh, I forgot to put a bottom. I would recommend for curl to be on a black magic dragon, or just really type of like any type of dragon, or you could even, I don't know, I just randomly thought of Pinkie Pie. You could make it a party hat if you wanted, or what you could do is just kind of like make it a galaxy one for galaxy dragon. Really anything, it's totally up to you. These are just ideas. So then basically how you draw it is you do this, and then you kind of just make a curl, and then this one isn't as nice as the first one, and then you just do that, make your little lines, and then there we go. Then you have curl. I decided to add the little lines inside of the curl because that's what it's supposed to have. Also, I would recommend don't draw these in marker if you're going to color them in, but if you're practicing, always do pencil. I'm just doing marker because I already know how to do these designs. Just saying. But anyway, now to the thin. This is usually the normal one for all normal types of dragons. Thin right here, it's usually seen, oh, sorry, my voice. It's usually seen, it's kind of hard to draw a dragon right now. It's usually seen like, oh my gosh, this sucks. But it's usually seen like that. Also, little tip, what you want to do is you can draw it back there, like slant up, and then right here on the spot, making it a little bit smaller, then add your lines. And it looks like it has two horns, so it looks like it's about to fly off or something. And then you would add the eye, the little nose, and then whatever else you would like. You can even have big, hairy eyebrows if you wanted. But that's not my preference. But yeah, how you draw thin is really simple and easy. Basically, what you want to do is you just kind of want to do this. And it kind of looks like the wedge, but you can make it short like this, or you could make it really tall. And then you would add your lines like normal, and then you would add these, or if you were doing the wedge. Also, remember, my videos are only for advice or tips, not for, you don't have to do all of these. You can change up my designs, that's totally up to you. Like the eyebrow thing. If you want to do that, I'm not judging you because I don't really know you, but it doesn't matter. So, now, when you come to this big dragon head, you can do the downward. This is a little bit too much downward, but you can do anything. Also, you could have it right here for like whenever you're making an elf type of ears. If you were doing like a baby dragon, you could do a small one, or you could do a big one for a big dragon on both of its ears. But it's really up to you. But then usually they're like right here, or they're right here. So then if you did it right here, this is basically just the wedge or the thin, just in a bit of a different style. But yeah, and then you would kind of have that. My drawing is very messy, but basically how you do that is you just kind of draw a dragon head. Oh my gosh, that dragon head looks weird. It looks like a mole or something. Draw the inside. This one looks sad for some weird reason. And then what you would do is you would just kind of do that. You could do that. That kind of looks like an ear though, but it's pretty cute. Or you could just kind of do that. Yeah, but it's really all up to you, and it doesn't have to be all like these, and I would totally recommend making more ideas and having fun with it. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching.